Hey guys, in this video I'll be using AI tools in Filmora to make a video. First tool I'll be using is AI Auto Reframe. This tool is useful to convert landscape video to portrait mode. Choose any of the footage you want. Right-click on any video, click on Auto Reframe. In the aspect ratio, choose the aspect ratio you want. Now click on Analyze. Now this will automatically reframe your video. As you can see, the frame moves on its own. Now click on Export. This will export this portrait mode video. Now the exporting is completed. Let's import that clip into our timeline. And let's see how it looks. Now the second AI tool I'll be using is to replace the background. This video I just want this person in frame and I want to replace the entire background. For that, double click on this video, click on video. Now click on AI tool. Here you will find multiple options. Now click on AI portrait. If it's a person, you can use AI portrait. If it's an object, you can use smart cutout. Both perform the same thing. I'm going to enable AI portrait. As you can see, immediately the entire background is now black. You can make some adjustment. Now let's play this. This looks perfect. Click OK once the cutout looks perfect. Now I want to replace this black image with something else. So I'm going to click on stock media. I'm going to click on this one, drag it and drop it below this clip. Now let's play the video. As you can see, the background is now perfectly blended. The next step I want is add a music to this video. So I have a music file here. So let's just say my video is 60 seconds long and I only have around 30 seconds of audio. In order to increase the duration of the music, you have an AI tool in Filmora called Audio Stretch. Click on the arrow here. Now click on Audio Stretch. Now click on the end of this music and now drag it more. Drag it to as much as you want. I'm gonna leave it here. Now the audio stretch will happen and the AI will create your audio. It's a very useful tool for making videos. When your background music is just 30 seconds or 60 seconds long, you can increase it to as long as you want. And there you have it. We made a TikTok video in just few steps. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more tutorials like these, click on the subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.